Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. We are in Sydney today, Australia. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like I need to vent right now. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but this is what happened. So I was looking forward to this layover, right? And I love Sydney. I've always watched it on movies, on TV, and I love this place. And I was looking forward to exploring this place. I packed my stuff in my suitcase, my outfit, jewelries. You know, I was gonna look good. And I was ready to explore, and I was looking forward to this layover. Fast forward, we get to the hotel. And whilst I'm taking a bath, we're about to go out with my colleagues. I don't know. A thought just crossed my mind. I'm like, I don't remember packing up my shoes, casual shoes. Obviously, I have my work shoes, I have my cabin shoes, I have my heels to wear. But I'm like, I don't remember, I don't recall packing up shoes. That's what I'm thinking whilst I'm bathing, right? Cool, I'm like, nah, man. Maybe it's just a thought, because you know, with this job, we tend to forget. Like, you forget a lot. You have memory loss problems because of this job. I'm like, nah, man, maybe I'm just hallucinating or something. I finish bathing. I come to my suitcase. I open it, and there were no shoes. Guys, I picked up a whole outfit. I got ready for this layover. I was happy to be in Sydney. I got here with only an outfit and no shoes. And now in my head, I'm like, I can't wear like heels. Let me show you guys. I can't wear these shoes with my outfit. And also, I am not one to wear these shoes to get out of my hotel room to go buy shoes. Like, I'm thinking about that whole 10 minutes I'll be walking to go buy shoes. People, the way they'll be looking at me, they'll be wondering what's happening with this girl. Also, I can't wear these shoes. Like, I've never been this bored. I need a second round with Sydney. So right now I'm about to prepare. We are leaving this place. I didn't do anything. I didn't go out. I didn't step out of the hotel. I didn't step out of my room. I entered the hotel yesterday when we got here, and I'm about to leave now. Like, guys, I'm so defeated. Like, I don't know how this happened. I'm trying to understand how did this happen, but I don't know as well. So now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up a new routine for myself. I am going to have clothes and shoes that are specifically for my suitcase. I'm not gonna take them out. The only time that I will take them out is when I'm cleaning out my bag, or if I am going to wash my clothes or anything like that. But from now on, I made myself a promise that I am never gonna be unpacking and packing things that are in my wardrobe and be packing them back into the suitcase each and every layover. It's not gonna happen, because clearly I'm gonna forget some stuff. Like, now I forgot shoes. You know, I could have just forgotten pajamas then. Like, yo Tito, like, yo Asana, was it necessary? So now I'm gonna buy luggage bags. I've been actually wanting to buy them, so now this is going to be a push for me to do it now. I'm going to buy a luggage bag that will remain in my suitcase, so it will have layover clothes depending on where we are going. I remember I saw a TikTok video not so long ago of a flight attendant girl who has a luggage bag that stays in her suitcase. The only time that she changes it is when she's changing up the clothes. But with shoes, she has all seasons the shoes in her bag. Also, that thing, like, it's packed up already, the luggage bag. The only thing that she will do, she will take the relevant luggage bag for where she's going. If it's winter, she will take the winter luggage bag, or which has winter clothes. If she's going to a summer destination, she will take the one that has summer clothes and just leave with it. So I think it's high time I do that for myself, because It's screaming granny vibes. Ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto. So I just had my late lunch right now. I'm about to prepare for my flight. I'm so disappointed actually. Like, this is the ghetto son. The way I was looking forward to this layover, and I think this is my very first time looking forward to a layover. All the others I didn't really care much, but this layover meant something to me. Like, it's Sydney after all, come on. So I'll have to I need a round two. With Sydney, so I'll have to maybe bid for this flight or something once I start bidding. So I'm gonna bid for this flight. But anyway, I'm coming back to Australia in a few weeks time, but still it's not Sydney. I want Sydney because there are things to do in Sydney. I mean, it's Sydney. It's Sydney. So yeah guys, let me not talk too much. It's 6 minutes long, this video. Let me not speak too much and get ready for my flight. Maybe you might just get lucky and get ready with me. Let's do this. Let's go back to Dubai. So yeah, I was just finished bathing, so now I'm about to lay my makeup, and yeah, we'll be ready to go after this. It's very good to moisturize your skin all the time. Well, with me it's a different case because I'm in a cube, in a pipe, in a cube the whole entire, I'm gonna be there for 15 hours, and it gets really dry. I underestimated the way it gets so super dry, trust me. So you need to be moisturized all the time, and also my skin is popping, it's giving, yeah, it's giving. So I'm just gonna I'm trying out to speak most of my time just so that I can get out of this I'm in my own element, own bubble, so I just wanna get used to speaking, I wanna get used to speaking all the time on my vlogs. So at the beginning of the video, I'm just gonna swiftly explain. It started in Morocco. So we were in Morocco. Beautiful place. I love the buildings. I love the vibe that the place is giving. It's giving, you're in a movie. Vintage vibes, It's a beautiful place. We didn't get to do much because we got there on a Sunday. So usually, I don't know if with other places it's not like that. Yeah, it's on a Sunday, it's in Sydney, but it's buzzing. But in Morocco, everything was closed when we got them. So we couldn't do anything. Everything was closed down. We couldn't do anything when we got there. So I did have a walk around just to see the place a little bit. And then went back to my hotel, ordered some food, had something to eat. Then I slept. Then, thing is about this job. One thing about me, let me not generalize it. One thing about me, if I come to a layover and I sleep right away, I'm gonna be tired the whole entire layover. So what I usually do is I go out, I get to the place, I prepare myself, I go out, I come back. I know that when I'm dead. Because it gets super hard for me to get up and to do stuff after I've rested. Also, I'm trying, slowly but surely, I'm trying to stay away from foundation. I have great skin, I mean, I can do without foundation. So I'm trying just to put a little bit, as bare minimum as I can. I'm reducing, well, I'm gonna have makeup on, but I'm trying to like do a minimal makeup all the time and not put on like heavy makeup on me. It's not good, it's not healthy for my skin. So it's to have makeup on, but not as heavy as I would usually have it on, you know, in terms of foundation, because usually I would apply like a lot of foundation. Yeah, it does look nice. It's Estee Lauder after all, but you know, because I wear makeup all the time, I just need to also take care of my skin and not do too much, you know. war the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Hi guys, today's Christmas Day. It's 25th of December 2024, and I am getting ready for a Christmas lunch that I have with my batchmates. So let's do this. I'm done. We are now ready to go. I'm so pretty. I look so pretty. You guys show because wow.
When I start, yeah. Okay, ayun, now guys, attention. I'm kidding. I've never gotten this much attention, but anyway, thank you guys for celebrating. I don't know where to look for celebrating Christmas with me or with us or what? Yeah. And welcome to our newbie as well, the boyfie. And yeah, guys, I know it's difficult, but it's fine. It's gonna be okay. And we have each other, we family now. Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! I just got to my house. We had a very wonderful time. What a wonderful Christmas day I had with my colleagues. And I have a few gifts, and amongst the gifts that I have, I was gifted this. So this is my name in Arabic. Don't know if you guys will be able to see it properly. Yeah, that's my name, guys. I am super blessed to have my friends. I'm super blessed to have spent my holiday, my Christmas day. It was an emotional one for me because, I mean, who doesn't want to be with their family on this day? Who doesn't want to be with their kids? I mean, I left my daughter back at home. I would have rather spent this day with her, but yeah, God had other plans. I just got home. I'm just gonna freshen up, remove my makeup, and sleep because I have a flight in the morning and we are going to Thailand. So yeah, that's it. We'll speak later. I'll show you the other gift later on as the video proceeds. I'll show you the other gift that I got for my friends. Or rather, let me just quickly show it to you now. Okay, so my gift came with the flower. Okay, so I have a letter here. I haven't really opened it. This came with the necklace that I showed you guys. Okay, so this is what I got. This is my Christmas gift from Michelle. Oh my word, that's my initial. Oh. Super beautiful. So this is my initial L for Lutando. This is my Christmas gift. So it's my necklace and my beautiful cup with my initial in it. Let's show you the necklace again one more time. Beautiful necklace. This is my name in Arabic. Beautiful necklace.